Hey guys, so today I thought I would have you tour my knitting corner. I made a video about this a while ago, but it's changed a whole lot, so I thought I would show you what's changed. First of all, I have this now as just a computer desk. So I will pull it closer or further away from me, depending on like if I'm watching something or if I'm actually typing or doing something. And then we have these 3 black bins on the shelf. This one holds all of my winter gear. It's the best place to put it so I can grab my gloves or hat when I'm going out. This one holds all of my drawing supplies, which I don't use very much, but I wanted it down here because I want to start using it. I really miss drawing and painting. I used to do a lot of drawing and watercolor before I gave birth to Ruben. And I would like to get back into that, if at all possible. And this just holds all of my yarn that I want to use for my next project. Then up here I have some drawing pencils, a very inspirational quote. This is my vlogging camera, knitting needles, these are my circular ones. These are just some random things. And this has this is also just kind of random things. My son always gets in here and pulls out the coin purse and plays with it. Then over here, this is just erasers and other drawing stuff. And then here's all my stationery for when I write letters. This has little itty bitty knitting things in it. I put something in each little one, so it holds all my little things for when I need to use it. Then I have this to put a glass on and my lamp. Coming down here, I have all my camera plus like writing utensils and things, and this is the remote for the camera I'm currently using. For when I give birth, I have some baby chest rub in case my child needs a little bit of help nursing. In here I have lots of needles, my sock needles. For when my child sleeps, I wear headphones. And in here is just like lotion and other things like nipple cream, which I will need when I'm nursing. Things that are right here and right at hand. Down here I have my baby blanket that I'm working on for my unborn baby. And in here I just have some cords and electrical stuff. Down here I have the books that I don't use as much, like my watercolor pad and a notepad, some crochet books, and another thing full of cords. Never know what to do with those. Right here I just have my purse that I grab when I'm going somewhere quickly and don't need the diaper bag. I have some sweater yarn down there that is for my next sweater project. Right here I have my Jamberry nail stuff because I've been doing my nails a lot. I really like it. I feel really pampered and it's fun. My water bottle, charging cables back there. This holds my meter for glucose testing and my chocolate. And then up here I have things I use a lot. My drive where I store all the old videos for my vlogs, and tissues, Bibles, my sock book, which I use all the time. This is a coloring book that I've had for years, and sometimes when I feel like I really need to relax, I will color parts of it. I think there's only a very few things in here that are colored, and I'm not very good at coloring. It's mostly just totally relaxing for me. Then I have a notebook which I write things in, another notebook, and my glucose monitor testing sheets. Then over here I just have more storage. I have all of my needles right here, my straight needles, on this little thing with what numbers they are marked, my crochet hooks, and the scissors. I also have a pair of scissors hanging in here. Then I have my watercolor board. This is a gift I need to wrap for a toddler that I'm going to their birthday party this weekend. My camera tripod. These are all of my projects that I'm working on in separate bags. This is my Christmas present to myself. It is the kit from Knit Picks about knitting and crocheting washcloths, face cloths, and I want to do that. And this is my box from my new camera that I got that's just holding all the like information and stuff, and I just keep that right there. And usually I have a big blanket on top of all this that I'll pull on myself when I get cold and put back there, but really I spend the most time in this tiny little corner. And here's what it looks like from here. I sit right there and can access all this stuff really easily. And it's like a little desk office area for me. Since we have such a tiny house, it works really, really well. So I hope you guys liked the video.